In the tomb of Zeus, Letty comes to the island of Crete to sponsor a dig under the supervision of famous archaeologist Theodore Russell, who is looking for the Minoan tomb believed to have been built for the great god Zeus, the king of the gods. Russell, a difficult, self-absorbed man, takes an instant dislike to Letty and her know-it-all ways, but needs her money. Assigning her a crew, he sends her off to an unpromising site to dig. The mystery begins when Letty discovers the body of Russell's wife hanging from a beam.
Letty simply can't believe that the happy, free-spirited woman she had befriended killed herself. Then when Russell's son drives his Bugatti off a cliff, Letty is convinced it was no accident. She teams up with William Gunning, a former army chaplain invalided in WWI, and they set out to find out what really happened. Set in 1927, The Tomb of Zeus is a first-rate mystery with a strong sense of history and place. Note, although published second, Right Hair About the Bone is clearly the first book in this series.
It is not as tightly plotted as The Tomb of Zeus, but the characterization is good, and it definitely gives you the information you want to have about how Letty became interested in archaeology and how she and William Gunning first met.
Prometheus had assigned Epimetheus the task of giving the creatures of the earth their various qualities such as swiftness, cunning, strength, fur, wings. Unfortunately, by the time he got to man, Epimetheus had given all the good qualities out and there were none left for man. So Prometheus decided to make man stand upright as the gods did and to give them fire. Prometheus loved man more than the Olympians, who had banished most of his family to Tartarus. So when Zeus decreed that man must present a portion of each animal they sacrificed to the gods, Prometheus decided to trick Zeus.
He created two piles, one with the bones wrapped in juicy fat, the other with the good meat hidden in the hide. He then bade Zeus to pick. Zeus picked the bones. Since he had given his word, Zeus had to accept that as his share for future sacrifices. In his anger over the trick, he took fire away from man. However, Prometheus lit a torch from the sun and brought it back again to man. Zeus was enraged that man again had fire. He decided to inflict a terrible punishment on both man and Prometheus. To punish man, Zeus had Hephaestus create a mortal of stunning beauty. The way to go.
I'm ready. But where are we going?
We will, in history. Backward, my dear.
I hope not. The age of dinosaurs.
Οι θεοί έδωσαν τα θνητά πολλά δώρα του πλούτου. Στη συνέχεια είχε Ερμής δώσει το θνητό δόλια καρδιά και μια γλώσσα που λέει ψέματα. Αυτή η δημιουργία ήταν η Πανδώρα, η πρώτη γυναίκα. Ένα τελευταίο δώρο ήταν ένα βάζο που η Πανδώρα ήταν απαγορευμένο για να ανοίξει. Έτσι ολοκληρώθηκε ο Δίας έστειλε Παν. Προμηθέας είχε προειδοποιήσει τον Επιμηθέα να μην δέχονται δώρα από τον Δία, αλλά η ομορφιά της Πανδώρας ήταν πάρα πολύ μεγάλη και επέτρεψε να μείνει. Τελικά, η περιέργεια της Πανδώρας για το βάζο ήταν απαγορευμένο να ανοίξει έγινε στο μεγάλο.
You're a meddling, mean-spirited old man, Eros, and you won't get any mercy from me just because you have no beard or white hair. You're about to send me off to a tryst with death. That's right, I know all about it. Prometheus spilled the beans on Thetis in the prophecy of Zeus's doom. No woman's worth that, not to mention all the little pranks you've played over the years. Every time you send me down to earth to have a little fun with some mortal, I have to change into a bull, a satyr, a swan,
I did
an
not
eagle.
feel. He says the logical things.
I think he should take a vacation. I do not know our step. He forgot the map.
Not need him. We need to know where to go.
We have several foresters crossed.
He'll have to hunt wild boar.
Ah, yes, it makes me hungry already. A roasted boar, for example?
Yes, for example. And with roasted chestnut.
Ooh, cool.
We do a lot of paths. Rest is essential. We do a lot of paths. Rest is essential. We'll see the source and drink plenty of water. It will pass into the stomach.
I think it will get better. I'm allergic to boars.
The next, we will go fishing for trout. It are delicious at this time.
Yes, but it is not easy to eat. The storm rises, and we do not have shelter.
Okay, it prints some a cave not far from here. We will go in.
Why we have not started the cave? It's dangerous here, and it is full of wild bears.
But you do not think the bear would be much more afraid of you? But these are wild bears. We have nothing to defend us. We have some night to make out. So be patient. Bears will not eat you.
It will find a cave tomorrow. I too, fear, remained in the woods. I feel to be a chicken ready to be eaten by any animal.
Should you think to rest? Tomorrow we have a lot to do.
Sorry, I cannot sleep in the forest. I cannot. What is my strength?
Strength you. Otherwise tomorrow you will be asleep in the cotton.